Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So right now it's Wednesday night. I'm actually flying out in a few hours, headed to Mississippi Audio Solutions. So I'll be there Thursday, April 3rd. I get in around noon, be doing installs and tunes. So we're doing free tunes the entire weekend. Thursday the 3rd, Friday the 4th, and Saturday the 5th doing free tunes. Brandon from Davidson Audio is going to be up there helping us tune with his crew. Jeep from Maryland, Elite Custom, is going to be helping us tune. Mr. Wonderful is going to be up there. Him and Rich Wonderful is going to be helping us tune. Friday, April 4th, 5 p.m., motorcycle audio tuning class. We're going to go over proper system design, audio component selection, and tuning. Class starts around 5 o'clock. We're going to go as long as we can until we get tired or until you guys get bored. Saturday, April 5th, the show will go on whether it rains or not. So Wayne and I were discussing it. Instead of rescheduling, Wayne's building is big enough to where we can move the show indoors. We will figure it out. We are not going to reschedule. Rain or shine, the show will go on. Then I'm going to be there Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So that's 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So come on out, even to say hello. Check out Wayne's beautiful, beautiful state-of-the-art shop. I'd love to meet as many of you as possible. Go over your bikes, go over your tunes. Maybe if you need any advice. Jay Ford from Custom Wings is coming out, and he is rumored to be the favorite to win heavyweight. I don't know if there's any other big bikes coming out. If there's nobody to compete against Jay, I think Rich is going to step up from middleweight to heavyweight just to put on a show, to give everybody something to listen to. But Jay Ford is the favorite so far. If you think you can beat him, come on down. Saturday, April 5th. Rain or shine, the show will go on. I'm literally hopping in the shower, I'm gonna go to sleep, wake up, hopping on a plane, I'm heading over there. I will be there tomorrow afternoon, which is Thursday, April 3rd. Hope to see as many people there as possible. Kevin and his team from Ultimate Marketing are coming out. So it's gonna be a great time. Hope to see as many people as possible there. It's gonna be a great show. See you guys tomorrow.